everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you add songs in your Spotify account. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Spotify account, go to your library and tap on the plus in the top right of your screen. After tapping on that, it will give you these options, and from these options you have to tap on playlist, and in playlist it will give you the option of create your playlist, name your playlist, and after naming your playlist just tap on create and your playlist will be created. After creating your playlist, you just have to move forward, and in terms to move forward you have to select the songs which you want to add in your playlist. Just tap on add to this playlist and then tap on the plus sign in the side of your song. After tapping on the plus sign, it will be added to your playlist. This is pretty much simple and easy. I hope you like the video, and if you do, like, share and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video will help you a lot in any way. By following these steps, you can add songs in your playlist on Spotify.